Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mojito in-house. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar or 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Don't forget the club soda and plenty of ice. These fresh components are key to a truly refreshing drink. Now let's get muddling. Place your mint leaves and lime wedges into a sturdy glass. Gently press and twist with a muddler about 3 to 5 times. The goal is to release the aromatic oils, not to shred the mint. Next, add 2 ounces of white rum and 1/2 ounce of simple syrup or 2 teaspoons of sugar. Stir well to dissolve the sugar. Almost there. Fill your glass completely with ice. Then, top off your mojito with about 3 to 4 ounces of chilled club soda or sparkling water. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the delightful flavors are well combined. For that perfect finishing touch, garnish your refreshing drink with a fresh lime wedge and a vibrant mint sprig. Enjoy your homemade mojito immediately. Here are a few tips to elevate your mojito experience. Feel free to adjust the amount of sugar or simple syrup to suit your taste. For a fun twist, try adding muddled berries or cucumber. If you prefer a non-alcoholic option, simply omit the rum and enjoy a refreshing virgin mojito. Always use a tall, sturdy glass for the best presentation and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.